You pack the kids' lunch day in and day out. And my next guest says, mamas deserve a good lunch too. Well, this is it. The sun-dried tomato ravioli is the ultimate mom lunch luxury. It's topped with chicken sausage and fresh spinach and made entirely in one skillet. Our good friend Wendy Paul is already hard at work. She's here to roll out the recipe. I smelled this before I saw you. You're making everyone hungry at KSL Broadcast House.
Yes, they're all going to come to the kitchen today,
aren't they? For sure.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about this recipe, friend?
That it's like 15 minutes.
Come on. Come on.
Really, but also the flavors are great too. And we always talk about layering flavors, so let's talk about this dish.
What's going on?
So first off, I started with some onion. Let that kind of go for a few minutes with some olive oil. And then I added the chicken sausage. Now you could omit this if you didn't want to. You could put shredded rotisserie chicken in it.
Okay.
Really anything you've got in your kitchen.
Any protein works.
Yep, any protein works. And we're gonna add a little bit more flavor. So I added some sun-dried tomatoes, okay? We're gonna add some of this basil paste because I just love having it.
You reach for this quite a bit.
I do. I use it all the time.
Yeah.
I'm probably their best buyer.
Sponsor her already.
Sponsor me. Come on.
Gourmet Garden? Okay.
Gourmet Garden, and also some garlic. You could do the roasted or just this minced, okay? So we're gonna add that in for flavor. Just stir that together. And then, do you wanna grab the chicken broth?
We're
gonna put that in. So, it's all in one skillet, so just eyeball like 2 cups.
Okay, you trust me to do that?
Yeah, I do.
I feel confident standing next to you.
Fully trust you. A little bit more.
About that?
Yep, perfect. So you're just gonna wanna cover it with the chicken broth. You could also do veggie broth if you wanted.
Okay.
And then this, I found this, and I love
What is
this. It's a bruschetta, diced tomatoes, already seasoned, ready to go.
Well, thank you for that.
So it ups a little bit better than just plain diced tomatoes,
For
right?
sure. Where'd you get that?
So just at the grocery store.
And you're spooning in the oils too?
Yep, oils too, because
Okay.
you want that flavor, Brooke,
Okay. Yes, yes.
So we're gonna add that, maybe just a tiny bit of salt, because you really don't need a lot, because you've got all the flavors already and the saltiness from the meat.
Especially the sausage, right? Yeah.
Right, especially the sausage. So then this is my secret ingredient. I love the fresh ravioli. It takes just a few minutes to cook. So we always have one of these on hand for an easy weeknight dinner.
That's your grab and go.
Yep, my grab and go. So we're just gonna add this in, bring it to a simmer, and you're just about done, right?
That's it?
That is it. That's how fast it goes.
Top goes on.
So top goes on.
Broth bubbles up.
Broth bubbles up. About 3 minutes.
Fantastic.
So fast.
What?
I know. And then, to even make it a little bit healthier, right?
Mama's coming in with the greens.
I mean, we gotta get our greens in, ladies.
Yep.
So I like to do like a really big handful.
Spinach good too, especially in the heated sense. It wilts down.
Right.
The kids barely notice it's
They
there.
hardly notice it's there with all that flavor in the tomato sauce.
Yum.
So you're gonna go like this and forget it for a few minutes.
Listen, I love you, and
easy.
also you've taken away most of our dinner time excuses, which is mostly a thank you.
You're welcome.
I mean, I can't justify Chick-fil-A today because I know what I'm making for dinner.
You know what you're gonna make for dinner.
Yeah.
So once you're done, Brooke, you're just gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
Maybe a side salad, a loaf of French bread, sourdough bread, whatever you want.
Yeah.
And then of course, I like to do fresh basil on top, oregano, just to add a little bit more flavor.
Because she's extra like that.
I'm just a little extra.
All the best ways, all the best ways. Wendy, thank you.
Easy, easy.
It's the kind of recipe hookup that we need, but it does feel good to get back to like routine, especially in the dinner sense.
It really does.
I kind of exhaled. Like, I know it's a job and it's a chore, but to pick up the summer pieces and really consistently sit down
I know.
together.
I'm actually really excited about the schedule again. It feels so good.
It feels good. You're always sharing recipes like this. Where can we find you?
So find me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul, and you'll see lots more weeknight dinners coming your way.
We thank
We're
you
in the
for
mood.
We love you for it. Thanks so much, Wendy.
Thank you.
We'll link you over to her website from ours, studio5.ksl.com. And weeknight dinner has been the theme the last week or so as we all settle back into that dinner time groove. So that recipe tab at the top of our website should be a friendly and familiar resource. We're here to help, and we hope these recipes do.